So, parallel parking. For the purpose of a driving test, what they'll get you to do is get you to stop on the left hand side, leaving a 2-car gap between you and the car in front. We are going to use the blue car that is there in front of us now. Okay? So, you'll do what you would do normally because you're stopping on the left hand side. You're going to clutch in first gear, find your biting point. Checks, left blind spot, left mirror, road ahead, centre mirror, right blind spot. We are safe. Nice and slow, because we want to be doing this manoeuvre nice and slowly. So we're going to stop at the side of this car, approximately half a metre away from it. And I'm going to line up my door mirror with the end of the car. So here, straight into reverse gear. I'm not going to bother with the handbrake because I'm going to be going straight away. So again, right blind spot, right mirror, road ahead, centre mirror, left blind spot. And then we're going to look out of our back window. So biting point, and I'm going to get off the foot brake. Nice and slowly. So all this is just clutch up a little bit, so the thickness of a pound coin to go up, thickness of a pound coin to go down, just above that biting point. When my mirror is in line with their door mirror, like it is now, I will look out my front and look over to my right. I'm safe. I'll turn the wheel one full turn to the left. Still looking out my back window, checking again over to my right to make sure there's no cars coming past me. Two things that I use. If we look in our left mirror, our left blind spot mirror, the car looks like it's touching the curb. My door mirror is also in line with the tail lights from where I am positioning here now. Here, again, check to our right to make sure we are safe, and then I'll turn the wheels full lock to my right. Nice and steady because I'm going slow. Here, because we're going down a bit of a camber, the clutch is going to go in, and I'm going to be using my brake or covering my brake to make sure that I don't go too fast. So here, I can see that I'm close enough to the curb. So full lock is now on. I can see there's a nice gap between me and the curb. Here at this point here, I need to make sure that I now start getting the car straight. So quickly turn those wheels back to my left, and then I'm going to go back a little bit more, leaving a 2-car gap, turning towards that curb that little bit more. Here I will stop. Clutch in, handbrake on, into neutral, and then turn everything off.